ya Kofi Safo edin komo wono eye emranim ni ma Kristo asafo eye asori no olaya wadaroma ewie nyamyansum dwenka na yesama wakwa baba for God and country adwumadi esu na wie.
Okay, amen.
Na mpacho umpomboko de
rimpomboko you're na hokaka.
Oh areho de nyamini madugude nti areho na ba na menim say areho no so baso so a nyame na na bepepa ye nisuo na lawyer ma membisa wo asori no megidi peace asori no ewo mra eda asori na no den na eye asori no mra no ekafa odiade ewo asori no emu.
Okay, I believe so. Who be started odiade for after say found an issue.
Sure.
The constitution, it's a found an issue more. Or two, what you do as the Council of Elders.
Okay.
Council of Elders is headed by a chairman. Now, chairman is a found an issue more. I was there automatically chairman of the Council of Elders, or assuming the position of the founder. But in an acting capacity.
Okay.
It's an acting capacity. It's or this one, constitutional chair, so for a period of 3 clear months. Now, for Omasha, Council of Elders, they would the 4 from the C founder name.
Okay.
Now, Obi obeying, Obi a Council of Elders obeying. I was there or ye papa no mema me or ye papa nemba mema ne baako. No bit to be ade. Sana constitution ne baako.
Antino ye nua bema aye Kwadwo Safo Junior no. Aye Council of Elders no na yi na na.
I almost started consultation processes late last year, early this year. And the mammy and Sano, they went through processes. They do a consultation, interview. Some more processes are documented processes are more favorable. Because constitution aims to provide procedure. Some more development procedure. Omode fame wa ansa na omara as Kwadwo Safo na.
And you know, during these processes no na Honorable Sarah Safo, former MP no na oye aware.
Yes, no you aware. But the information I mean the Council of Elders no there. At every stage there was a stage omo consulted the other siblings. Because other siblings are female.
Okay.
So there was a time almost they apportioned a time for them to be consulted. That's what I know.
And then you being a lawyer for the church, you know, what was the response from them?
A response from them, details there, documentation. What they have, every process is documented. That process there, and maybe in the name.
Okay.
A council of the president of the Council of Elders.
Okay.
Documentation there. And maybe a name who said process on fire, process on fire. And a man should then on more kind.
Okay.
I am a second assistant by assistant.
All right. Okay.
If I have access to the document, then I can speak on authority from that document.
Very well respected. But in any case, one more day injunction be about the installation process and also the Munsaka injunction ana.
Okay, as of now there, other from 10 times. We be on Saturday, and we charge it on Saturday. And I'm sure the date of the file, the date of my file 19 June. And yeah, they have the sole mandate from the appointed the next leader.
Okay.
It's a electoral commission. And yet, someone conduct election. No more declare winner. It's not a question of the question of look at it. It is almost declare. Then as two manner. What happened? And the Council of Elders, the Banamo Omogodia. As well as only a chair who was challenged and you can challenge it. Your younger is enough to do that. Okay. Challenge. But for now, it hasn't come to an analysis.
Be a challenge.
They are responsible for years. And of course, there wasn't any injunction.
Okay.
So that's what I can say about that.
So we can confirm that there was no injunction on the process.
No.
It was
application.
There was no injunction application. And
attached to the document.
So what was the writ of summons for?
The writ of summons was to seek declaration release there. Akofana is not even part of the plans to be considered for leadership.
So.
Wow. So I think I don't know. It was related because throughout the process in money now we're saying when you consider I was thinking that would be any part to be even considered. To the be part I said that should have been done quite some time ago. In my first knowledge,
Anti wabra na omode akofuna asia akonwa no so no na wankasa wo ho bi na woni ho wanko ceremony basa ceremony no na originally no na nka mo se nka mo koye no baby den na ceremony omode ko ni fie koye
for that one day I can't really tell so that I can't really tell because mostly also be our Juma.
Okay.
And to our advice on the race, our advice on the advice. But to be a Juma of the organizing program, only on selected leadership. I mean, let them come.
All right. Okay. Sure. Mami na wase enewi say woman ho kwan ma ye ne edin komo but we can conclude say eye Kwadwo Akofuna de asori da ye de per what the lawyer is saying there and am ne kwan si todo.
Yes. Until such challenge be ebesaba. Yes. So I'm not really endorsing it there. Will be anti challenge, but anybody at all can challenge. So all challenge on any forum, whether our internal rules on our court, not or that day, Akofuna wasn't qualified. You accept it.
But momu ni window beyond for that challenge. Now that I'm within the Siada
internal processes.
So what is the window like? Because I say more than Siada this way. Wababe si papa na emu. That what the way we no. Obi betimi asa be challenge no.
Oh yes, what's that challenge? What's that challenge?
Wow.
Oh, what's that challenge? I'm think of interested because your internal route I control all these things. And she said, anything also support for Philip protest now for external support. Anybody at all can go for that challenge.
Oh, wow.
So it is not conclusive. Yes.
And you're conclusive. So how long can it take? No. How long can it take?
The constitution didn't specify any time.
Wow.
At this time, I think it is you have 3 months, 1 month, no.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, we would want to wish you well, but for now, dear, you better not can say Kwadwo Akofuna and Edini Papa dear.
Yes, for now, in absence of any challenge.
All right, that's it.
But then I read we can say to some extent, some people have headed to the court. That one is so even though we haven't been said.
And you know, wabra na wamudi Akofuna esi akonwa no so no. Na the council of elders no church in Penny for no nyina.
Yes, I'm told. I'm relying from Tenomo.
Okay. My Yenasi. Why? Lawyer Kofi Safo.
Because it's the issue here by here inside.
Okay.
Yeah, we say recovery not so what is my kind of side of story. And we appreciate it.
Now what was around our hospital here?
But that one the meeting was my question and non-question.
Me the one kasa wa here.
Amen.
Yes.
Because the incident you know. I'm arrested some of our security personnel.
Okay.
So we're following up even the door now.
Oh, okay.
Maybe after it, but the members so much.
But ya say Akofuna so opposing faction no and no correct.
I'm invited. No.
Enye chire but omo invite no.
Oh, I'm invited, yes.
Na esi saying.
As I speak now, I think so. Ogusuo, I'm interrogating.
Ewo ehemfa.
CID headquarters.
CID headquarters. Ya better say